Okay, folks, welcome back. We are looking at a topic here, changing grams to kilograms. Now, we have an identity here. The identity is that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Now, normally when you change kilograms to grams, you time by 1,000. We've done that in the previous video. Now we're starting with grams. So we're starting on this end and we're going backwards towards kilograms. Now, for every 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram, so we have to divide by 1,000 when we go back. So let's look at some examples and let's put into practice. Let's move this up a bit. So our first question we have is, here we go, we have 22,000 grams. We need to change that into kilograms. So we're going to divide that by 1,000. Now, if we have a whole number with multiple zeros, as long as we've got 3 zeros, we can divide by 1,000 quite easily by removing 3 zeros. In the previous topic, when we were timesing by 1,000, we were adding 3 zeros. Now we're removing 3 zeros. So it has a reverse effect what we've done before. So then we can copy the rest of the answer down. So we have 22 kilograms left for this example number 1. So let's do some more examples. Okay, that's example number 1 done. The next one we have is example number 2. We have 466,000 grams. We change that into kilograms, and we know to do that we have to divide it by 1,000. Now, because we're dividing by 1,000, and this is a whole number with zeros in it, we can remove the 3 zeros. You've got to have 3 zeros. So that will give us 466 kilograms. And that's the end of example number 2. Now let's have a look at something a little bit different now. Let's have a look at 7070 grams. 7070 grams. We're going to change that into grams. So we have to divide by 1,000. Now, in this particular question, example number 3, we don't have 3 zeros to eliminate. We only have 1. So we have to use a different method. So let's get rid of that for the moment. Just undo that. Now, if we have any whole number which doesn't have 3 zeros at the end of it, or any number with no zeros at all, then we always start at the end. So we got to start over here. So we got to start and by putting decimal point. So we have to decimalize the number, and then we move that decimal point 3 places backwards and not forwards, and then drop the decimal point down. Now we copy everything down in its original place, and we are finished. So now we're moving to the left. We are moving backwards. Let's have a go at another example. Let's do example number 4. Okay. Example number 4, we have 800 grams, and we're changing that into kilograms, and we do that by dividing by 1,000. Now again, we only, in this particular example, we count zero, we have 1. We only have 2 zeros. We don't have 3 zeros to eliminate 3 zeros. So that method can't be used now. So let's get rid of this. Now, again, let's go to the end of the number over here. Insert the decimal point. That's what the decimal point is anyway. That's where it lives. And then you have to move it back by 3 places. Drop the decimal point down. Copy everything down underneath. Now, this is a bit of a strange answer. We have 0.800. Now, 0.800 is really 0.800. But we don't need these last 2 zeros. As we said, these are called unnecessary zeros. Unnecessary. They are not required in the final answer because they don't do anything in this particular instance at the end of the number. So, let's finish up our answer. So, our final answer is 0.8 kilograms, and we are done with that question. Okay, let's have a look. Right, we could even go really small questions as well. So if you have a look at example number 5 now, and that's going to be the end of this video now. Hopefully we have, say for example, we have 19 grams, and we're changing that into kilograms. So we know we have to divide it by 1,000, and again we have no zeros and not enough zeros to remove them. So we put the decimal point at the back, over here at the end, and we move it back by 3 places. Decimal point lands here, and then we have a gap here. So fill a 0, copy the 1 down, copy the 9 down. That's my rough answer now. My rough answer reads 0.019. For it to be proper, we need an extra 0 at the front, because we don't say numbers of 0.019. That's just like slang in maths. So that's our proper answer now, 0.019 kilograms. And that's the end of this short video. I hope this video has helped you to understand how we change grams into kilograms. By myself, Mr. Imran Iqbal, on One-to-One Tutor. See you on the next video.